So, hello everyone. I'm Angela, developer relations at Uniswap Lab. And today, along with Ivan, our Uniswap Foundation ambassador, we're going to introduce you to the Uniswap API, which is basically the way that you can integrate on-chain swaps in minutes in your application. Wait, hold on. I think it's okay. Yeah. The reason why is because most of the applications needs to swap, and if you think about it, you can talk about wallets or AI agents. But if you even go a little bit further and we think about payments, in the end, if I have ETH in my wallet and I need to pay with like USDC, for instance, that's a swap, right? But how can you integrate those without the need of building all of this trading infrastructure? So that's what the Uniswap API solves, which is basically an API that powers all of these on-chain swaps for all of the possibilities throughout routing, liquidity aggregation, and execution price. So again, you guys can focus on building your product or application without focusing on this infra. What is the Uniswap API, or what aggregates in this case? Basically, all of the trading machine infrastructure of the Uniswap protocol and the Uniswap interface. This aggregates Uniswap V2, V3, V4, Uniswap API, Uniswap X, sorry, and more than 25 market makers. So yeah, in order for showing you some like key stats from the Uniswap protocol volume, you might heard about it before, but we have more than cumulative volume, more than 4 trillion. Talking about time trades, all-time trades, 2.7 billion. As assets, you have more than 10 million users, options. Most important, zero hacks, feel secure. And then talking about the API itself, we support more than 17 chains, routing latency 200 milliseconds, and then fill rates 97. For instances of this hackathon, we have a limit of 3 RPS. If you need more, just let us know, and we can, hire out those if you need. And then, yeah, sharing about some like common use cases. Again, we could think about fintech or neobanks. You're building something around it, or DeFi applications by powering these trading flows, AI agents, lots of AI agents ideas during the hackathon. And yeah, think about like you. It can be product, it can be infrastructures, it can be startups, or it can be even agents or you guys using this self-serve platform to integrate this trading machine in your applications. The way that it worked, it's honestly real simple. You go to developers.uniswap.org, get your key instantly, and then the integration happens in real minutes. All you can do is like request the code, get the best price, and then sign out the transaction and customize your model for all of your users. So here you choose the rules, trading fees, etc. So yeah, it's all on you. How do you want to build all of this? Some ideas and use cases for this hackathon in particular. We're looking for the best Uniswap API integration. So think about it. You want to build a new swap in primitive, or you want to build a set of agents that interact with the DeFi in certain ways. We just want you to integrate with the API and came with the best idea possible, along with the best feedback possible. Let us know how can we improve this experience. And this can be from trading applications, agents, based systems, automated strategies. I heard about a couple of them, and new financial primitives as well. So spare resources, real simple again, developers.uniswap.org. Just sign up, you get this. And you could also use our Uniswap skills. Ivan is going to talk about in just like a few seconds. So the other one would be the API docs. You can scan this QR code. There you can find the API integration guide if you want to, do it manually. But also, as I mentioned, you could also get our Uniswap AI skills. Everything is under the Uniswap, the ETH global page in our bounty. So no worries about it. But just in case, this is our QR code, and that's real it. Like Ivan is gonna guide you throughout the process, and hope you have fun during the weekend. Let us know if you have any questions, and we're gonna be here to support over the whole time.
Yeah, hi everybody. So I will show you a little quick how to integrate the Uniswap API. First, we go to the dashboard. We create some new API key, like fun key. Yeah. Then we copy it, and we could copy the line for skill integration. Then let's go to the cursor. By the way, this demo repository will be in the page, so you could take a look at it. It is like small teamed Uniswap based UI. I'm a big fan of DnD, so I did like in DnD swap. You could choose a character and like have some fun going on. But yeah, you could open the cursor and you integrate some skills. We could have skills for different AI tools, but let's choose the Claude code. Let's install it into the project. Yes, so let's open the Claude and ask it. We have integration guides and some example of prompts you could ask. So for example, let's use this simple prompt to ask it to implement some swapping and quoting. And I will stop it right there because I already have some preset up, but it will have like 3 minutes to work on. Yeah. And then if we relaunch the interface, now you could have some real quotes from Uniswap API, and you could even send transaction, do some simple swaps. I have a dungeon tax of 3%. Okay, let's. Yeah, I won't be signing that and showing you my API keys, but we have some work for improvement. We could just ask agent to improve the front end, improve the API integration, and yeah, that's all. That's simple. And let's return to the slide.
And yeah, that's honestly basically it. It's a simple integration, and we want you to go beyond the limits and create pretty good projects and products. Ideally, going beyond the hackathon. And thank you so much. If at some point you guys need any post-hackathon support or have any questions across the Uniswap ecosystem, feel free to reach out. In any case, and thank you. Yep. Okay, so we basically did that fast in order for us some time. So if you have any questions, I think that's the perfect time. We good? Yes. Not this time, but it's really, I mean, for the instances in this hackathon, I think I heard it was like if we have the LP endpoint during inside the API, not yet. So for instance, of this hackathon is not, but alpha is coming live soon. Yeah. Yeah.
You say for the hackathon there is some limits on number of chains or
3 RPS. Yeah. 3 requests per second.
3 requests per second. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. To be honest, I do think it's 6 in the backend. But again, if you guys need any other setup, let us know, and we could improve it for the weekend easy. So yeah, easy. Good. Nice. Yeah, let us know how can we improve this, and let us know how are you using it. And other than that, happy hacking.